What's up, GK crew? It's Roen from Gamer Kids TV. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. Today I'm super excited to have you join me for an awesome Pokemon craft. We're gonna make Pikachu and Eevee masks. First, you'll need these awesome templates my mom made. There's a free download link below to print at home. Markers for tracing, a glue gun or tacky glue, freezer paper, a good pair of scissors, some ribbon or elastic, a towel to cool off. Just kidding, it's for ironing. Speaking of irons, you'll need a parent's help because these babies get hot. 6 pieces of felt and optional Workspace protection. Okay, let's go. Rip off a piece of freezer paper and place it shiny side down over the mask template. Use your marker to trace the entire design. This will keep your felt nice and clean. Now grab your first piece of felt, which is a bright yellow for Pikachu's face. Place your trace template over the felt and have an adult help you iron the paper on medium-high heat for a few seconds until it sticks. Now you're going to use a sharp pair of scissors to cut around the outline of the mask. It should look like this. You may need an adult's help to cut out the eye holes.
Pika pika!
Now peel off the mask template so you can make the ears, nose, and cheek. Re-iron the template onto some pieces of black felt for the ear tips. Snip these off to make them easier to cut out. Don't worry, no one was hurt in the making of this video. Cut the outline of the ear tip and place them where they'll be glued. Repeat this step for his tiny nose. And for his bright red cheeks. Now we're ready to glue. Have an adult help you if you're using hot glue.
So cute!
Now glue on your ribbon or elastic. And then it's time to try it on.
Oh, boogers.
The ears looked very sad. So we came up with a solution. We glued a popsicle half to each ear and added some felt for comfort.
Pikachu! Pika pika! Pika! Pika pika! Pika pika! Pikachu!
Now it's time for Eevee. Here's our trace template on freezer paper. We're using a piece of tan felt for Eevee's face. Line up your freezer paper and iron it onto the felt. Cut around the outline of the mask. You'll probably need an adult's help again on these eye holes. They can be tough. Now you can peel the template and cut it down into ears, nose, and eyebrows. Use a medium brown piece of felt for the inner ear. Iron, cut it out, and place it where you're going to glue.
Wow! Wow!
Next, use a dark brown piece of felt for the lower part of the ear, repeating the same steps. And finally, use some black felt scraps for the eyebrows and nose. No sad ears this time, now that we solved the floppy issue. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this in the future.